Well folks, that's a wrap on the 2023 Primary School Scrabble competition here in Penampang. Let's dive into the results, shall we? In 5th place, give it up for the SK Tansao team. This team includes the incredible trio Alia Kaisara binti Anizar Azizi, Eve Hani Halmon, and Nurul Apika binti Abdullah, all under the skilled leadership of Mr. Jayabalan C. Siva Subramaniam. Well done, folks! Sneaking into the 4th place, we've got the SK Bahang team. This includes the dazzling Audrey Gloria Velonisa A. Durin, Fira Fedralin Fredolin, and Chelsea Evriana Sydney, led by none other than Mr. Joseph Wu. Great work, everyone! Securing a solid 3rd place, we have the SK Kampung Chonto team, comprised of Nur Shazwani binti Abdullah, Lia Nurkalisha binti Malik Aswan, and Muhammad Nufail Rushdi bin Muhammad Nazir, under the fantastic guidance of Madam Charlene Damien. Amazing job! As our first runner-up, it's the dynamic team from SK Pekan Putatan. Give a big round of applause to Lia Zafira binti Abu Bakar, Nurdanisha Hani binti Muhammad Hanizan, and Asha Ariana binti Alimat, brilliantly led by Madam Jeniko. A fantastic effort. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. The champion of this year's Scrabble competition is, drumroll please, SK Puntuno. This winning team, bagging the title for the 2nd year in a row, includes Trinity Xaviera Ray, Muhammad Iman Danish bin Norazaman, and Shanif Brian Nidi Samilan, expertly guided by Madam Rosalia Willie. Absolutely phenomenal. We, the teachers from the organizing team at SK St. Anthony, would like to extend our heartiest congratulations to all the top 5 winners, with a special shout out to the top 2 teams, SK Pekan Putatan and SK Puntuno. You'll be the face of Penampang at the Sabah State Level English Carnival in Tenom from the 25th to the 27th of September. As this year's Scrabble competition is in person, we wish you safe travels and hope you can bring home victory to represent Sabah at the national level on the 4th to the 7th of November in Negeri Sembilan. And hey, let's not forget the other 11 teams from 11 fantastic schools who participated in this year's Scrabble competition. We applaud your effort, and without your participation, this event wouldn't have been the grand success that it was. Here's looking forward to seeing all of you at our future events. Keep those letters shuffling and those words flowing.